Hi, everybody. The first week of ACLT 053 is now over, and week 2 begins today. So it is time to get started on the second part of our tech module. So in our last class, we took a look at blind data and also examined how to read academic texts. So in our last class, we used those texts to examine your own ideas about the internet, harassment of women, and how our ideas around the issue of harassment have changed. We also then connected to what we learned in ESOL 053 to what we are doing in our English 101 class. And that's really what this class is all about. It's this connection between this one and that one, and how that's going to help you do better in both. So you notice, though, that you'll see this kind of pattern repeating then. So from this point forward, everything that we're going to do, you'll see there will be a connection between this class and then the 101 class as well. So what are we up to this week? So this week we do have a few other readings for you to look at in the tech module. The link is provided for you here. The two readings this week are Learning Resource 3, Strategies for Getting Started on Your Essay, and Learning Resource 4, Research Pretest. So this is administered through the CCBC library, so please make sure that you get through those. Both of those should be done by Friday, September 10th at 11:59 p.m. And they need to be done before you can work on the other two assignments. So we have two discussion board posts. Both of those are related not only to what we are doing in the English 101 class, but also to the readings that we are doing in both classes. So you have to have everything done in terms of reading for both of those classes before you can work on this part. So the first discussion board post is you'll be using your pre-writing strategies to create what's called a word cloud, and then posting a photo of that word cloud in the assignment number 3 called Brainstorm Word Cloud. And then for the next assignment, you're going to be using the quote analysis chart that you from this week's English 101 discussion board to answer questions in tech discussion pre-writing. That's assignment 4. So as you can see, we're integrating stuff from both classes into this one. So both of these initial posts have to be done by Friday, September 10th at 11:59 p.m. as well. So you guys have a full week to get this stuff done. Next, you will be doing your response posts for both of these. Both of those response posts will be due on Sunday, September 12th at 11:59 p.m. as well. So quite a bit of stuff to do in both classes, but they are all very, very connected. And as always, if you need to get in touch with me for help, or you have a comment or a question, you can send me an email. You can send that through Brightspace or through CCBC email, or you can send a text or call my Google Voice number. I will get back to you as quickly as you can. If you need to make some sort of a Zoom meeting and hold a face-to-face meeting with me, I'm happy to do that. You can find my contact information in the instructor information tab in our course Brightspace page. So that is it, everybody. Have a great week, and I will see you all online.